my name is Kasoma Colin from Xavier High School, Chiboga, and I am in Senior 4, 2025. Yes, under our theme of environmental sustainability and responsibility to all, I decided to come up with a project of making a fan, a rotating fan. I looked around in our community and I found out that the plastic materials, the polythenes, and whatever they are making our environment to get polluted. For example, our soils are becoming polluted because of the plastic bottles. Therefore, I decided to correct those bottles, and I come up with a project of making a rotating fan, like this one I'm having here. So this rotating fan, I made it from bottles, using a motor, dry cells, and I also used papers. But I found a challenge of connecting this such so that this motor can run. That problem I found it, but I managed to solve it using the physics that I learned in the class. Therefore, in this project, I'm solving different problems such as environmental pollution, air pollution, among others.